Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 21st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the dollar yen, we definitely turned up pretty sharp at the 50% Fibonacci retracement. Yes, we never filled this gap right here, but that doesn't bother me. Gaps sometimes do take a very long time to fill. The fact that we are technically still in an uptrend on the weekly and the daily time frame makes me wonder if this is actually just going to go back up and make a new high now. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely am looking for logs. I mean, we definitely did turn up at a fib level. We definitely have a couple pretty significant breaks of structure. I think there's a chance that this might actually now be in an uptrend again. So I am definitely bullish unless we break structure back to the downside. Right now, our structure to the downside would be right here. So if we go down and take out that low, we definitely want to go back to being bearish. Otherwise, we would put our Fibonacci retracement on every impulsive move and any counter impulsive move we would look at as possibly just a pullback within the daily time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.